Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 5 of the course Housing Policy and Planning. Okay, so this week consists of in total of 8 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. Question number 1 is, according to URD PFI guidelines, a senior secondary school with a strength of 1000 students is provided in a neighborhood with a population standard of, options are 5500, 6500, 7500, 8500. So the answer for this question will be 7500. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 2 is, which of the following is a strategy that deals with the development of new housing areas? Options are expropriation, densification, redevelopment, land subdivision. So the answer for this question will be land and subdivision. Okay, that is in option number D. So for question number 2, option D will be the correct answer. Question number 3 is, a housing strategy deals, options are only with the existing housing problems of a city, only with the future housing problems of a city, with both existing and future housing problems of a city, neither with the existing housing problems nor with the future housing problems of a city. So the answer for this question number, that is third, is option number C, with both existing and future housing problems of a city. Okay, question number 4 is true or false. We just have to answer the given statement is true or false. So statement is, the formulation of a housing strategy is usually undertaken before the master planning exercise. Options are true or false. So given statement is false. Okay, next one have only two options. So question is D, densification of a core city housing can be achieved through, options are different FSI, uniform FSI. So the answer for question number 5 will be option number A, that is different FSI, floor space index. Okay, question number 6 is, land disposal mechanism is a housing strategy for core city housing development. Options are true or false. We just have to answer the statement given is true or false. So the answer for this question will be false. The given statement is false. Question number 7 is, the least preferred strategy in dealing with the core city housing is, options are assessment of infrastructure stress and holding capacity. Option B is prescribing appropriate development controls, incentivizing and enforcing. Option D is relocation and rebuilding. Okay, so the answer for question number 7 will be option number D, that is relocation and rebuilding. The last, moving to the last question, but before that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel for getting upcoming week answers. Like the video if it helps you, and please share it with needy ones. Okay, so the last question is, a mixed housing neighborhood of a population of 20,000 people intends to accommodate high, mid and low income group plots in the ratio of 2, 3 and 5. Number of low income group plots considering 5 persons per family and 2 families per plot will be. So after calculating the number of low income groups, the answer will come out as 1000. Okay, so the answer for this question will be option C. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please share it. Thank you.